Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Wayside Park that connects into the Silver River, which then connects into the Silver Spring State Park. So what I'm planning to do is I want to do the river run and connect into Silver Springs, and I want to show you guys what my plan is actually. So I have the map right here. This is where I am right now. I am Silver Springs, Florida. Got it on the GPS, and my plan is to go from here and go to the west towards the river all the way to Silver Spring State Park, which is right there. Now, from what I understand, I might be able to catch some monkeys. I cannot guarantee it, of course. Some manatees, maybe some turtles and gators. So that's what I'm looking forward to actually do. So I got my drone out. I got it ready. I'm prepared. What I want to do is I want to shoot the drone towards the air so you guys can see the park. It's a little foggy in the air. Hopefully I'll be able to catch it. I want you guys to be able to see everything from the air and the stretch of the river if I can with the drone. So let me get that try. I'm also waiting for a fellow YouTuber who's gonna join me with his kayak. So I'm looking forward to that as well. Let me see what else. In this river, by the way, little trivia. Back in the 1930s and 50s, multiple of the Tarzan movies were actually recorded on this very same river. So we're gonna see some cool stuff. So all right, let me go ahead and shoot the drone in the air. Get started.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
All right, so my fellow YouTuber friend here, Jason, has joined me with his
Morning.
humongous kayak. What's up, buddy?
How we doing?
Yeah, we're doing good. Let's check out your stuff. This thing is gigantic. It's massive. Let's do this, man. Let's explode YouTube. Let's take over YouTube.
On the river.
That's right. That's right. All right, so this is gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna give him a hand to take the kayak to the water, take my boat in, and we head out. All right, let's see if I can put you guys steady here, because I'm about to start the motor. Might take me a minute. Camera's gonna fall probably. All right, so I think got it ready. There we go. Yay! All right, we're started. So I got my friend over there. He's about to jump in the kayak, and we're gonna head out. All right, so that's my friend Jason. Hello. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and he's gonna catch up to me. So, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. He's gonna be making his own video, obviously. This is gonna be awesome. Woo. Welcome to Silver Spring State Park. So this is the section in the map where I make a right. Right here. This is the section where I make a right. Alrighty. I want to take the underwater camera because the water seems to be clear enough. I want to see if you guys can see it. Let me get that out. I have no idea if I was able to capture some underwater footage, but nonetheless, I will notice that once I go into, editing once I get home. So, my friend is ahead of me. Let's go ahead and move forward. Here we go. I am noticing that this water is deep. We're talking about good 8-10 feet in there. Very deep. I reach a nice little white area right here. It's nice. A little lagoon. I bet the manatees hang around this area. But they're not there right now, obviously. The view out here is spectacular. Oh my gosh. So much green and brown and blues, and it's beautiful. Alright, so that's where I'm at currently. Still got some ways to go.
It's totally great out here.
Right?
Who cannot enjoy this?
This is awesome, and the water is
Get off
beautiful.
that couch, baby. You gotta enjoy.
That's right. Oh, look at the beautiful water. Alright. Man, we got some wildlife. Look at Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. I hear it tastes like chicken. More wildlife. Hey, Birdie. So, we just anchored my friend's kayak into my boat. Yeah. Because we're going upriver, so it's a little bit difficult. It can be a little challenging, so I figured I'll take it with me. This is awesome. Yeah, pretend you're kayaking. Pretend. You're a great kayaker, sir. The virtuoso. I'm gonna try the underwater camera again. I want to see if I can get some good footage because the water looks beautiful. It really does. I'm gonna give it one more try.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
So my friend Jason just told me that the structures where they recorded Tarzan back in the 1930s and 50s is still there. Like it's like a little village. I so want to record that badly with a drone, with this camera, everything. Yeah. Okay. I think we're recording now. So he's in the boat now. We're towing the kayak. We can go a little faster now. So we can make good time. I want to see those. I want to see that movie set so bad. Those are some pretty birds with a little baby. Look at them. They're beautiful birds. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but they are beautiful. We stumbled to a private property with a pontoon boat in there. That is really cool. Oh crap, I'm going to the weeds. Now that the sound is out, we can see the clarity on the water. Oh, that is nice. Oh, that is nice. Oh, it's beautiful, man. It's gorgeous. It's a pontoon boat. The water over here is too beautiful for me to pass, so I'm parked right here in a section. I'm gonna shoot the drone in the air. I want you guys to see that from the air because it's too pretty. I cannot miss that. All right. Now that we're getting near the park, we're seeing all the kayakers around. Here they are. That is beautiful. Look how clear that is. Oh man. I love this stuff. Just beautiful. We are finally almost there. It only took us what, 2 hours?
Yeah, man.
That's where we're at. See if I can see it. Yep, that's where we're at. It's beautiful though. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna be going towards the Tarzan sets, and it's towards that way. It's a little shallow, so I'm gonna have to put the motor up into shallow drive and paddle up at the same time. So it's gonna be fun. All right. This is some of the village from the Tarzan movies. Ah, this is so cool. I hear there's bigger ones up front. I want to get more once we get over there and shoot the drone. There's a gator right there. There's his little head. Barely, but yeah, he's there. Springs Landing, part of the set of Tarzan. Man, look at this water, it's just gorgeous. I love this. Look at the fishies. All right, that's the main fort of the Tarzan movie set. I want to see if there's a way for me to actually get in land and get closer to it. If not, shoot the drone, at the very least, catch it from the air. I wanted to get inland into the main fort of the movie set of Tarzan, but I mean, that's been there for like 90 years, 80, 90 years, and it's overgrown. I cannot get in. But my drone can get stuff from the air, so I'm hoping to catch some stuff.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, so I think we did good, right? We did all right. Yeah. So I think I got some footage of the fort, of the set of the Tarzan movie. So now what I want to finish the video with is I want to go to near the state park and catch the spring from the air. And with that, I will go make the video. All right. Well, folks, I wanted to catch the state park, the river, but there's a lot of guards around, and they prohibit use of drones. I was trying to pull off the whole thing, you know. Don't ask for permission, you know. Apologize first. Not right now. There's too many of them around. But nonetheless, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This place was fun. It's my first time here. It's beautiful. The water is beautiful. The place is beautiful. And I made a new YouTube friend who wants to tag along. So hey, Jason, you wanna send us off?
Make sure if you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button and continue to watch more adventures.
That's right. I'm gonna put his channel on the description below. Thank you guys for watching.